Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Wonder Cookroom. Happy belated Eid to everyone. In today's video we are making special and simple Makhaddi Halwa. So let's get started with our recipe. First let's look at all the ingredients we need. So for the recipe we need 1 kg semolina or Sooji, 1 kg sugar, 1/4 kg ghee and 7 to 10 pieces of cardamom. Let's move to the method of preparing this. So first we soaked semolina in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we would take a deep pan or a kadahi and place it on medium heat and add ghee to it, and when it is a little warm we would add crushed 7 to 8 pieces of cardamom, or you can just separate them by hand. After adding all the cardamom pieces to the ghee, we would be adding a kg of sugar to this. Okay, once the sugar has been added, we would let the sugar cook and it would caramelize a bit and it would form a small tiny bits like you can see in the video. This process would take actually 5 to 10 minutes, and when you see the sugar is caramelized and is golden brown like shown in the video, at this point we would drain out all the water from our soaked semolina and add it to this mixture, and make sure that you keep on stirring it so that it does not stick to the pan or kadahi we are using here. This process would take a lot of energy and it would last for like 20 to 25 minutes. Just make sure that your heat is medium. Keep on stirring it well so that it does not stick, and if it's sticking, just scratch it off from the pan. And when you think that it is taking the shape of a halwa like ours, your halwa is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Do give this recipe a try. I hope you all like it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment what you think down below. Share this recipe with your family and friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.